truck standing in the fast lane. Look at these assholes. That's going on dash cam. Truckers are always talking about how good of drivers they are. Get the fuck out of the fast lane.
You see that bug just fucking whacked off up.
It's wherever website up.
And then these fucking assholes just spanking in the fucking fast lane. Because they fucking just cruise in the fast lane. It's so annoying.
It is, but you just go out
Look
around.
at them.
You just gotta.
Fucking assholes.
They